I'm Lieutenant Oja. Okay.
Can you identify yourself?
Oh, yes, that's me, all right. No doubt about that. That's the way I tell him. It's a crocker, it's a crocker. Here's another crocker. Crocker! Here, you me.
I was typing up when I found him.
She's a pretty little lass.
I can see she has. That's the way I tell him it.
Maybe it was a crime of passion. Was he sexy?
How should I know?
Could you call? There are 3 ways of telling if a man is sexy. One of them is he has a very poor memory.
And the other 2?
I forget. The way I tell him, the way I tell him. I say, I may have to hold you.
For questioning?
Not necessarily. Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
That's the answer. Here's the question. Hey, where the hell have you been? I've been to get my hair cut. In working hours. It grew in working hours. Not all of it. I didn't have it all cut off. Where is he fight?
That's her. Across the road in the cemetery. Why that headstone?
Wanda Kansas, tent maker, pegged out in 1902.
Not
Got it?
bad.
Oh. Here lies the father at 29. There would have been more, but didn't have time. It's the way I tell him, isn't it? It's the way I tell him. Here lies the body of Maggie McGinnity. For 60 years, she kept her virginity. And that's pretty rare in this vicinity. Stavros, carry on.
Oh, dear God, what happened?
Oh, dear. I can't stand with him watching a woman cry like that. They have a drop of brandy. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you. I say, Mrs., how about one of you and your husband together? Hold hands, you and the thief for the album. What he lacks in brains, he makes up for in stupidity. You take the paper off, then you can eat it. Look at him, an only child, and still he wasn't his parents' favorite. He had a pet zebra. What did you call it? Spot. Right. Now, why did you kill him, eh? Oh, why did you kill him, eh?
I didn't. I swear I didn't. I didn't do it. Amen.
Don't lie to me. Now, stop lying. Stop lying. Or will you stop slapping me while I'm talking to you?
That may be the drink was poisoned.
I'll have a try of that. No, there's nothing wrong with that.
Don't touch his pudding.
Why not?
It's not like other puddings.
It's a bone.
It'll go off with the slightest vibration, or in 30 seconds.
I'm getting out.
A crocker, we're 13 floors up.
I'm not superstitious. Help! Help!
It'll blow the building sky high.
Hey, could you help us down there? I'll catch it. I'm the Ballymundy goalkeeper. I've never dropped a shot in my life. Righto.